May I have your attention, please?
First one, late night thoughts, yeah, the remain slow. I'm so heavy, feel the pain overflows. Here's my life, now the shadows won't go. Staring at the ceiling, lost deep in, wow. Memories hard to me, playing a voice. Every I love you, and it feels like a choice. Trying to escape, but the past got me changed. Drowning in the heartache, stuck in the rain.
Why she leave? Why she change? Now I'm drowning in the rain.
Took my love, took my soul. Now I'm lost, losing control. Every smile, every touch, now it's nothing but a ghost. Love was real, love was fake, now I'm standing in the cold. Scrolling through pictures, yeah, I'm missing her face. Used to hold me down, now she's gone without a trace. Tried to move on, but my heart won't away. Stuck in the past, like I'm trapped in this space. She told me forever, now forever is gone. Left me abandoned, writing my songs. Text looking red, no answers at all. Echoes off my wall, echoes of my mystery just bounce off the wall. Told me forever, but forever was fake. Now I'm just slipping and making my mistakes. Wishing I mattered, but feeling displaced. Love's just a lesson left with a heartbreak. Thought I was strong, but I'm breaking instead. Lost in my head with these words left unsaid. Replying the moments, rewinding the past, trying to heal, but the scars always last. Love turned to pain, now the cycles repeat. Writing these lyrics, tears stain the beat. Broken inside, but I smile when they ask. Tell them I'm good while I wear a mask. Crying in silence, the weight getting strong. Nights full of whiskey and pain in my songs. I lost her once, now I'll lose her again. Hoping one day that my heart can unbend. So many nights spent staring at my phone, typing up messages, left all alone. She was my peace, now she's a part of the war. Fighting myself, I don't know what it's for. Used to believe in the love that we had, now I just see her drowning inside. Hoping that time might soften the blow. But love ain't the same once it's shattered and cold. Outro, so I like these bars, just to cope with this.